Before we touched the stars. Before we built mighty machines that roared into the void. The first rockets were nothing more than fireworks, sparks lighting up the night sky. But humans? We dreamed bigger. We dreamed of breaking free from gravity itself. In the early 1900s, one man changed everything: Robert Goddard, the father of modern rocketry. His invention? The first liquid-fueled rocket. It may have been small, but it was the first step towards something far greater. By the 1940s, rockets had become deadly weapons, but their true destiny was far beyond Earth. Then came the moment that changed everything. 1957, the world holds its breath as the Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. The race to the stars has begun. 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a name now etched in history, becomes the first human in space, orbiting Earth in Vostok 1. And then, the world watches as 3 Americans sit atop the most powerful rocket ever built, Apollo 11. July 20, 1969, the space race is won, but the journey has only just begun. The next challenge? To make spaceflight routine. The answer? The Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that could launch, land, and launch again. Over 30 years, it carried astronauts, satellites, and even built the International Space Station, our first real home in space. But space wasn't just for governments anymore. Enter SpaceX, Blue Origin, and the age of private spaceflight. Rockets that land themselves. Space tourism. And the biggest vision yet, Starship, a rocket designed to take us to Mars. And soon, NASA's Artemis program will return humans to the moon, paving the way for the next giant leap. From fireworks in the sky to footsteps on the moon, from war machines to spaceships that land themselves, we have come so far. But this is just the beginning. The real question is, where will we go next? Comment what you think the future of space and rockets will be. Thanks for watching.